This is Vijayawada. Three stores have been gutted down. We have been hearing a lot of sounds for the last half an hour. We thought someone is firing crackers, but no, it seems it is Diwali Stores actually which have got gutted down. Almost the entire 1, 2, 3, 4 stores. As you can see, the fire engines are trying to stop it. This hasn't happened. They're still fighting it. There are 2 fire engines. The rest of the stores have been closed down. So for whatever reason it happened, they have started burning up. Yeah, you can see closely. Oh.